Hello Smartz, my name is Sophia and welcome to our YouTube channel where we speak about all the latest news and events of our project. Against the background of hype around EOS, we certainly do not forget about the Ethereum. And we have some updates for you. Guess what? Now you can issue your own ERC-721 token. ERC-721 is non-fungible and collectible token standard which is used in various types of crypto games such as CryptoKitties. Now with our constructor of ERC-721 token, you can issue collectible tokens for your own games. We prepared a documentation page in our wiki about this type of token. Please find the link in the description. We interviewed the head of Smartz research department, Sergey Perlutsky, and talked about blockchain technology and advantages of smart contracts, as well as discussed issues on information security and cryptography. The link to a full interview with Sergey you can find in the description. We are happy to provide you with new educational content in our corporate blog and on our official YouTube channel. Firstly, we decided to talk in more detail about each type of smart contracts available to deploy on our platform. We will tell you about all the features, use cases, and of course we will not forget about onboarding video guides with step-by-step screencasts of how to deploy these types of smart contracts on our platform. We began with a multi-signature wallet smart contract. We also suggest you to study our new article on how smart contracts can change the construction market. All the information is already available through the links in the description. Several crypto media such as ccn.com and L'Economy have issued press releases on the implementation of EOS on the Smartz platform. So this is it. Hope you enjoyed our video, and if you don't want to miss any new videos about Smartz, please subscribe and be smart!